Hello guys, xanavi.net. Today we got Nissan Murano, second generation Z51. This car doesn't have the parking sensors. In this video we want to show you our new service. It's a plug-and-play installation of the factory parking sensors. This video with Murano, but we can do it on other Nissan Infiniti cars, for example Infiniti Q70, Nissan Fuga, Skyline, and other models. Now the car has the rear view camera only. Connection plug and play. We sell you the complete kit. It includes the needed controllers, wiring harness, parking sensors, and so on. So you can install it plug and play. It will work same as on the factory installed parking sensors, with the image with showing on the main display. So no need to put any additional radars, displays on the dash. So it will work as a factory installed sensors. So for now we will disassemble the car and we'll install it, and we'll show you the result with all the tests and so on. That's how does the kit looks. This is the kit for around parking sensors connection, rear and front. We can do it separate if you want. You can purchase the kit for the rear side only, or only for the front side. So rear and front controller units, controller, wiring harness. These plugs are going to the head unit, so you unplug from the head unit, connect here, and this side you plug into the head unit. Sensors, zoomer, and this wire we will connect to the plug of the gearbox selector. Well, about the installation, this is the front unit. If you will purchase for two sides, front and rear, we will mark them. So this is the front. Installation is pretty easy. So when you connect here, the sensors are marked as A, B, C, D on all the sides, on the wires, on the inside of the box. This harness connecting to the factory wiring. So this is the factory plug going to the head unit. We plug factory plug into the harness, and this side we connect to the head unit. No ways to mix up, because there is only one plug, such as this one. Also zoomer, you put it anywhere. This zoomer is making the parking sensor beep sound. What else? This long wire connecting to the gearbox plug. On Murano, it's this one. How to find the needed terminal on this plug is when you press this knob on the needed terminal will be the positive signal. So now it's nothing, and now positive. It will be negative only in the neutral position without the knob. And from this harness is going one more plug. This plug, to this plug we connect the controller we have shown in the previous video. And also about the rear module, from this harness through this side is going the needed wiring behind the dash. Through right here, it's going right here. It's much easier than make it through the floor. And on this side you can find the place with a 3-wire plug, and we connect the positive wire to this plug and the negative to the chassis or something else. We will also show the photos right now. So as you can see, the installation is pretty easy. Of course, we will provide A to Z support, and this model we will place right here. It's a very good place to leave it here. Just feed it. Well, the work is done. Now you can see installed sensors. From the both sides, front and the rear. Well, so now you can see the radar at the top left corner. So it works as a factory parking sensors. If you drive in the traffic jams, we program it to automatically turning off, and they turn off when you limit 10 kilometers per hour speed. So now we will show you how does it work inside and a video outside. Let's start.